Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 downloads folder is not responding. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is open File Explorer. Right-click Downloads folder, click Properties. Click Customize, select General Items, check Allow apply this template to all subfolders. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scano. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.